guys, I'm Raven with BBB Supplies, and I'm going to show you how you navigate your planner that you just downloaded. Now, we do have a separate video on how to download the actual link, and we recommend that you save it in some type of cloud storage, iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, one of those. Now, each one of our documents is hyperlinked for easy navigation. You can see here we have our main tabs. You can click on any one of those tabs and it'll take you directly to that page. We also have a content page, and every single one of these is linked directly to that page. So all you have to do is tap on it and it will take you right there. Once you've navigated directly to the page that you're interested in and you've decided you want to print it, you just simply go to your printer dialog box and you can choose just that specific page in range. As you can see here, this document is 78 pages long. A lot of our documents are 80 plus pages. So we try to make it easy for you to navigate through it and to be able to just print exactly what you need and not waste ink and paper. So here I can select just the page numbers of what I want to print. Now, inside of the PDF editor, there are the markup tools. We don't recommend that you do that inside your PDF editor because once you close it, it locks those in and it becomes a little bit more difficult to erase and rework it. You can always, of course, make a copy or you can re-download it from your Etsy, but we actually recommend that you load it in another app such as GoodNotes, and we have a tutorial for that on our YouTube page. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel while you're here if you want to stay up to date on all things planner and washi, including fun DIYs and tips and tricks.